Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the swipe up gesture not working on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, try a force restart. This fixes temporary system glitches. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears, then release the button. After your iPhone restarts, unlock it using your passcode and check if the swipe-up gesture is working again. If this issue happens often, a force restart may only be a temporary fix. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Battery, then go to Battery Health. If your battery health is below 80%, your iPhone may experience lag, freezing, and gesture issues, including swipe-up not working. In this case, the best solution is to replace the battery at an Apple-authorized service center. After replacing the battery, your iPhone should work smoothly again. If your battery health is above 80% and the issue still continues, check for a software update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Apple regularly fixes gesture bugs, performance issues, and system errors through updates. Installing the latest iOS version often permanently fixes swipe-related problems. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.